How do I access my contacts for iOS? Before we begin, please first check that TextMe is allowed to access your contacts. You can check that in your device settings. First, tap on Settings on your device. Then scroll to find the TextMe app. From here, see if Contacts is allowed, making sure the toggle is on. Once you've confirmed that you've provided access to your device contacts, it's easy to access your contacts in the TextMe app. Simply tap on the phone book icon from the inbox screen. It is located on the top left hand of your screen. You can also access contacts via the Calls screen, as seen here. In order to find a specific contact without navigating the list, you can use the search bar. If you are searching for a TextMe user, you can quickly do this by tapping the TextMe tab towards the top of the screen.